These cats are literally talking like they're human. Make sure watch till the end for the best part. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this kitten cute and adorable. And if you didn't subscribe, then you must be a cat hater. Drop a comment, which one made you laugh? All right, here we go. 1. Meowgan Freeman. 2. Sir Chattersworth. 3. Persilla. 4. Whiskerstein. 5. Meow Beto.